Hi, I'm Mark from Trailblade. Today I'm going to go over the Sprocket retainer assembly. So it's part number TB384, Sprocket retention set. So how this works and what you get is you get 4 of the fasteners. So now these are a zinc coated, it's kind of like a military green, so it's really dark green. So you get the 4 of the bolts, and then you get the bolt retainers. And how that works is if you get your bolt-on style hub, now again, this is a bolt-on style, not a snap ring style. This is not for an OEM rear hub. So what you do is you take these tabs here, there'll be 2 in the kit. You get the bolts. So the bolts go in through here, you tighten them down. And then it's got 2 different tabs depending on where that flat lines up of your hex. And when that's on, and then also don't forget to also add a little bit of blue Loctite on there to help to keep them from backing out. But get the blue Loctite on there, and then what we do often is we just take a flathead screwdriver, tighten them, torque them down, and then use that screwdriver to bend these tabs up. Now you don't got to go nuts, you don't have to make them 90 degrees, but just get them bent up so that these don't ever work their way back. And these are a little safety retainer plate, so there'll be 2. Here like that. And then another little trick that you can do is just before you put these flat little plates on is you get a little Phillips plier and just bend these up just slightly, so that way it makes it easier to get that little flathead screwdriver under any one of these when you go to tighten it down. So again, this is for the bolt-on sprocket. This is the retention kit, 4 bolts and 2 retainers. You can find this part and more parts on mytrailblade.com. Thanks.